Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Apple Watch to an S23 Ultra. Unfortunately, a direct connection between an Apple Watch and a Samsung S23 Ultra is not natively possible. Apple Watches are specifically engineered to pair and function exclusively with iPhones, operating within Apple's proprietary ecosystem. This fundamental incompatibility means you cannot directly link these two devices for daily use or data synchronization. The primary reason for this incompatibility lies in the distinct operating systems. Apple's Watch OS, which powers the Apple Watch, is deeply integrated with iOS. It relies on the iPhone for setup, app management, notifications, and health data synchronization. Conversely, your Samsung S23 Ultra runs on Android, designed to connect with smartwatches running Google's Wear OS or Samsung's own Tizen-based watches. These ecosystems simply do not communicate directly. If your goal is to have a smartwatch paired with your S23 Ultra, the best solution is to choose an Android-compatible device. Excellent options include the Samsung Galaxy Watch series or the Google Pixel Watch, which offers seamless integration with your phone. If you are set on using an Apple Watch, you would need an iPhone to pair and manage it, as it cannot function independently with an Android device. To ensure the best user experience and full functionality, we recommend aligning your smartwatch with your smartphone's operating system. For your Samsung S23 Ultra, an Android-based smartwatch will provide seamless connectivity, notifications, and health tracking. If an Apple Watch is your preference, remember that an iPhone is a necessary companion. Make your choice based on your current phone and what features are most important to you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.